If you're experiencing problem with your Sonos system asking you for your email address and password, if you only forget your password, you can just do the I forget my password and they will email you a link to reset that password. But if you forget your email address, or if you don't even have access to that email address anymore, you can go in More down here and then on Setting, and then you go down to Account and Transfer Account. Now, as you can see down here at the very bottom, you have I don't have access to this email. Now you can start to transfer your email address. So now input a new email address. Check that box and then hit continue. Now if you really don't remember your password, hit I forgot my password. Now they will send you an email to the new email address you just input, like this one. So hit the black button, input your new password. Now there's a speaker that have to be the master of your account, so select the one you want, hit choose this player, and of course press the 2 button as they ask.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!